Thutha wa riboti cia arutwo kuoha guthii iguru, riboti aria magikorwo magitungania ndeto eno yukite iri ya kumakania thutha wa commission ya Arutani TSC kugwetania arutani na cieko ici. Nginyagia riu arutani mirongo itatu na eri ni marikitie gutunywo marua ma warimu ni TSC na maritwa mao makandikwo nenda-ini cia commission ino thutha wa uthuthuria kuonania ati ni makoretwo magituma andu gunganania na arutwo.
The teachers, unfortunately, I don't know what to say about this as I stand here, that some of our head teachers and teachers into whose care these children are entrusted are complicit. The commission is taking this very seriously, and those found to be guilty will be dealt with accordingly.
Iguru ria gutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho, afitha murugamiriri wa TSC ni oritie macukuru metheme gucokia thamburi tano ya arutani irathini na njira ya gutigirira ati o murutani wandikwo wira ari na marua ma TSC.
There is no room for quacks. Should we have quacks in our schools to handle our children? So we are giving notice that we have no room for quacks in the teaching profession, and that should we find any manager or BOM even in public schools that has floated this regulation, then we shall be writing to the ministry to have such institutions deregistered.
Ona gukire uguo, Nancy ni oritie aciari kumenyerera ciana ciao akimacukira gutigira arutani wira wothe wa guthomithia, kurera o ndumwe na kurunga mitugo ya ciana ciao. Riboti kuma kuri ruhonge rwa igeranio NEC yonenetie ati kuri arutani atatu aria manyitire itemi hari wiki wa kigeranio gia KCPE na njira ya mwanya kuri TSC yugete ni kumatugiria na njira itiganite.
One is called Beladine Dosio, Borudida, Mohammed Hassan. They went beyond. You are not giving a good one for such teachers.
Our head teachers, our security people, they do not have an option. They do it for our children. Let's celebrate them for their work.
So I want to salute and celebrate the majority of our teachers who have taken part in setting the questions, moderating them, proofreading them, giving them to candidates, marking them, and now giving us the results back to announce to you. We must not take this for granted.
Arutani mirongo iri na atandatu ni magutacukirio makinya thutha wao kunyitwo magiteithiriria uici wa igeranio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.